How to log out Messenger in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can log out your Messenger app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up the Messenger app, you might have come to notice that we do not have the logout button wherever we go, but there is still actually a way to log out from Messenger app on Android. That is by simply going to its app info settings. Go to settings and simply look for an option that says something like apps and go to apps. So once you come to the apps section, here you want to simply search for Messenger here, right? So we'll just go ahead and search for Messenger, and from there you want to simply go to the option called storage, and you can clear the cache and clear the data. What clearing the data does over here is you will be able to simply reset the app, and next time when you open up Messenger you will find out that you will be logged out, and if you want then you can log into some of the other accounts. So this way you will be able to log out Messenger in Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.